So today we will learn how to install the hacker keyloggers in our Android phone. First step is to open any browser. I open our Chrome browser here, and you will get the link in the description. You can check it, or you can search download. You can search hacker keylogger Android. Okay, so we get the result. Now we have to download. Click on the download option. It is very small file, 1.99 mm means 2 MB. Take just a second to download. Now we open our application Hackers Keylogger. It is installed. Open. Okay. Now open the application. See the interface. Go to settings and please choose a keyboard from your settings on hack keyboard. Okay, you can see hack mode status. Now our hack keyboard is active. Hack mode status is on, so there is no type data. When we will search something, go to our Play Store. Now we search we search YouTube. We search YouTube. Now let's check. Okay, now type data. You can see the timing 11:47 a.m. YouTube what I have written. So it is very working app and very useful for our daily use. Download it.